Hello, dear friend, and welcome to today's Stand Up and Shine Kundalini Yoga Flow. We're going to begin with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. This helps us to connect to ourself, to our energy. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to the self. So I hope you will join me, bringing your hands together, thumbs into sternum, elbows wide. Take a nice deep breath in to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Floating your hands down. Coming up into rock pose onto your knees if you're not already. And we'll take a few deep breaths to land in this space, to land into your body. We're going to bring our hands up right away for ego eradicator. Tuck those fingers in, thumbs out. Closing down your eyes, gazing into your third eye space, and beginning breath of fire. Breath of fire is a panting breath through the nose while pumping your belly and pumping and channeling your energy and elevating. If you start to get dizzy or if it doesn't feel quite right, please go to long, deep breathing. The velocity is the same on the inhale as the exhale. Take a nice deep breath in. Bring the thumb tips to touch overhead. Exhale. On your next inhale, you're going to squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel your energy up through your energy centers. Open your fingers out, stretch your hands nice and wide. Exhale, slowly float your hands down. Wiping away, clearing away anything that is no longer serving you, planting that down into Mother Earth. May she recycle it for you. Deep breath in, long breath out, settling more deeply into yourself. Now that we've cleared away some of those things that are in the way of that connection, you can connect more deeply. Coming on to your hands and knees. Tuck the toes, send the hips up, downward facing dog. Step the feet towards the hands and roll all the way up. Bring your arms up. Step a little bit wider than hip distance on your mat. Arms are up. Take a nice deep breath in, stretch up through the knuckles, exhale, take a side bend to the right, hips go to the left. Inhale up through center, exhale to the opposite side. Keep moving with your breath, closing down your eyes if it feels okay to do so, taking your gaze into your third eye space. Inhale up through center. Step to the top of the mat. Open your palms forward. Hinge from the hips, forward fold. As you inhale, make your way back up. And exhale to fold forward. This is called willow tree. Embody the flow of the willow. Bend, but do not break. Inhale up, step wide onto the mat. Open your arms out. We're going to come into windmill. Right arm's going to come down to the left and back up. And left hand to the right, back up. Getting into all those places where energy was stuck, where things maybe weren't flowing quite freely for you. Let's get in there and move the energy. Come through center, take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, take your right hand down to your left ankle, left hand to the sky. If you can, gaze up at your left thumb and hold. Let's hold here for 5 deep breaths. Inhale back through center. Exhale, left hand over to the right. Gaze up at your right thumb. Holding for 5 deep breaths. Gazing down to your right foot. Frame your foot. Pivot, lower the left knee. Find low lunge. Inhale your hands up. Exhale to sink deeply into your lunge. Gaze up between your hands. Hold for another 3 deep breaths. Exhale to plant the hands. Step to plank, switch the feet. Left foot comes forward, drop the right knee. Inhale up, find low lunge. Allow that knee to track forward. Feel a nice stretch in the front of the right hip. Final deep breath in. Exhale. Shift the hips back. Let's come into seated position. We're going to do Kirtan Kriya. This helps us to stay active, stay connected to our body, to our different synapses that are going off in our brain. What we want to do is bring our hands onto our knees. We're going to touch each fingertip with our thumb. As we do this, we will chant Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Birth, life, death, rebirth. The cycle of life. Closing down your eyes, taking your gaze into your third eye, we'll begin Kirtan Kriya. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. 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 Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Floating into the reverberation of the mantra in the body. Relax the shoulders. Relax the thighs. I invite you to travel into the space around your body, into your auric field. How far can you feel that expansion? And grounding down through your tailbone. Lengthening up through the spine. Drop your shoulders back and down. And taking your awareness all the way up into the crown of your head. Feeling truly rooted, truly supported, energized, revitalized, connected, clear. Take a nice deep breath in. Breathing into all of that goodness that you've just created in your energy body, in your psyche. We'll close with our mantra, Sat Nam, truth is my essence. Hands into Anjali Mudra at the heart. Take a nice deep breath in. Sat Nam. Thank you so much for sharing your devotional practice with me today and allowing me to be your guide. I am so grateful. I do hope you have enjoyed this practice. And if you'd like to go a little deeper, I have a membership. We meet every Wednesday at 7 p.m. CST online, along with a whole gathering of my teachings, meditations, different courses, Kundalini yoga, Vinyasa yoga, all for the healing empowerment of the human spirit. It's $11 Canadian a month. If you're interested, I will put the link down below. If you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much. Leave me a like and let me know how you got on with this practice. Take sweet care. Bye for now.